Best RC Boats. Are you looking for the best RC boats? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC boats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ALPHAREV RC Boat with Caser 308. The ALPHAREV RC Boat R308 is a high-speed, 32+ kph racing remote control boat, designed for fun and excitement on pools, lakes, and other water bodies. Ideal for both adults and kids, this fast RC boat offers an engaging experience for water enthusiasts and is a perfect summer gift for boys and girls. Equipped with a powerful motor, the boat reaches speeds of over 32 km per hour, ensuring thrilling races and water adventures. The 2.4 GHz frequency provides reliable and interference-free control, allowing users to race multiple boats simultaneously without issues. The boat's ergonomic design features a waterproof hull, ensuring durability and performance in both calm and choppy waters. One of the standout features of the R308 is its portable suitcase that makes it easy to carry the boat and its accessories wherever you go. Whether you're heading to the lake or simply enjoying the pool at home, the suitcase helps you keep everything organized and secure. This RC boat is not only fast but also easy to control. It comes with a user-friendly remote control that allows for precise steering, forward and backward movement, and turning, giving users full control over their boat's direction. The self-righting function ensures that the boat stays upright even after flips, providing added confidence for both beginners and seasoned users. Perfect for racing, pool play, or as a gift, the ALPHAREV RC Boat R308 delivers hours of entertainment, combining speed, control, and durability into one compact, fun package. Number 2. DEERC RC Boat with LED Light. The DEERC RC Boat is a high-performance remote control boat designed for pools and lakes, offering an exciting experience for both kids and adults. Capable of reaching speeds of over 20 miles per hour, this racing boat is built for thrilling water adventures. It features a 2.4 GHz frequency for interference-free control, allowing multiple boats to race together without disruption. One of its standout features is the self-righting function, which ensures the boat automatically flips back to its upright position if it capsizes, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're in a pool or on a lake, the boat remains stable and easy to maneuver, with controls that allow for precise turning, forward and backward movement. The DEERC RC Boat is equipped with LED lights, adding a fun visual element during evening or nighttime racing. It also comes with 2 batteries, each providing 30+ minutes of continuous playtime, ensuring extended fun without frequent recharges. The boat is powered by a strong motor, delivering impressive speeds and durability for watercraft activities. This RC boat is built with a waterproof design, making it reliable for outdoor use in various water conditions. The compact and durable construction ensures that it withstands rough handling while maintaining high performance. Perfect as a gift for kids or for anyone who loves water sports, the DEERC RC Boat offers hours of entertainment. Whether it's for racing or simply enjoying some time on the water, this remote-controlled boat combines speed, functionality, and fun in one package. Number 3. Altair Aerial AA102 RC Boat. The Altair AA102 Red RC Boat is a high-speed remote control boat designed for pools or lakes, offering ultra-fast performance with a top speed of 30 km per hour. Built by a company based in Lincoln, Nebraska, this boat delivers an exciting and reliable experience for both kids and adults, whether racing or just cruising around on the water. One of its key features is the water safety propeller, which is designed to prevent accidents and ensure safe operation around people. This feature makes the boat especially suitable for children, providing peace of mind while still allowing them to enjoy the thrill of high-speed water racing. The self-righting system ensures that the boat automatically returns to an upright position if it flips over, making it easy to continue playing without needing to manually adjust the boat. The Altair AA102 comes with 2 batteries, allowing for longer playtime and minimizing the interruptions caused by battery changes. Each battery provides up to 15 minutes of runtime, so you can enjoy continuous fun on the water. The 2.4 GHz remote control ensures smooth and responsive operation, with the ability to race multiple boats simultaneously without interference. Designed with durability in mind, the boat's high-quality construction is made to withstand rough handling and water conditions. Its compact and sleek design, coupled with the vibrant red color, ensures both performance and style on the water. With free priority shipping included, the Altair AA102 Red RC Boat is an excellent option for anyone seeking a fast, reliable, and safe RC boat for fun-filled adventures on the water. Number 4. Force 1 Velocity H102. The Force 1 Velocity Blue Fast RC Boat is an exciting remote-controlled boat designed for both adults and kids to enjoy high-speed racing on pools and lakes. This mini RC boat is perfect for anyone looking to experience fast-paced underwater racing, offering impressive speed and maneuverability on the water. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz transmitter, the Velocity Blue ensures smooth, interference-free control, even if multiple boats are in use at the same time. Its fast speed makes it an ideal choice for racing enthusiasts, providing thrilling action both in the water and during turns. The boat is powered by 2 rechargeable batteries, each offering up to 15 minutes of runtime, so you can enjoy longer sessions without constantly needing to replace or recharge the power source. The low battery alert feature helps users avoid interruptions, alerting them when it's time to recharge the batteries, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. Designed for durability and high performance, the Force 1 Velocity Blue boasts a waterproof design and a robust construction that can withstand the challenges of outdoor play. The boat is highly responsive, making it easy to navigate in all kinds of water conditions, from calm pools to larger, more challenging lakes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, this boat offers an excellent balance of performance and fun, making it an ideal choice for families and hobbyists alike. With its stylish blue design, fast speeds, and reliable performance, the Force 1 Velocity Blue Fast RC Boat is sure to provide hours of entertainment and adventure. Number 5. Cheerwing RC Racing Boat. The Cheerwing RC Racing Boat is a high-speed electronic remote-control boat designed for both adults and kids who enjoy thrilling water adventures. With its sleek design and powerful motor, this boat offers fast speeds, making it ideal for racing and competitive fun in pools or lakes. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Cheerwing RC Boat provides 15 to 20 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, offering plenty of time for high-speed action. The 2.4 GHz wireless technology ensures interference-free control, allowing multiple boats to race simultaneously without signal issues. The boat is designed for easy handling, with responsive controls that enable smooth turns, quick acceleration, and precise steering. One of the standout features of this boat is its self-righting function. In case it flips over, the boat can automatically correct itself, ensuring that the fun doesn't stop, even if it encounters obstacles or sharp turns. Additionally, the boat is designed with waterproof components, making it durable and capable of handling various water conditions, from calm pools to small lakes. The Cheerwing RC Racing Boat is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Its compact design and bright colors make it visually appealing, while the high-speed capabilities and easy maneuverability provide an exciting experience for users of all ages. Whether you're looking for a fun way to spend time outdoors or want to engage in some competitive racing, this boat is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an enjoyable and fast-paced water activity.